The myth that natural deodorants don't work is just that, it's a myth. Although everybody's body's different, natural deodorants are super effective. You just gotta find the right one that works for you. And if you have sensitive skin, there are formulations for that. Nala, which is a Vancouver-based brand, so it's a Canadian-made product, and there are different scents to choose from. We've got 3 to start with here, including an unscented one. So there are some guys out there that like to have a specific fragrance that they don't want their deodorant to compete with, or they want to have no scent because of their work environment or scents just bother them. So Nala is a great option. The extra strength ones do have baking soda, as with other brands. The 3 that we're offering right now include the Sandalwood Bergamot. That's gonna be your extra strength one with baking soda. Peppermint Charcoal has a small amount of baking soda, and the charcoal is a great detoxifier for heavy sweaters. I don't mean this kind of sweater, but people that sweat quite a bit. And they have the unscented sensitive skin for people who have ultra sensitive skin. They're all non-irritating and they last a long time. You can find them all at MASC in Vancouver and shopmask.com.